Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment today to look at this custom 8.5 by 30 drone trailer. This trailer is red in color with black trim. The platform up top is silver as it is aluminum, so it's lightweight. We can see the triple tube tongue, front jack, coupler for a 2 5/16 ball, safety chains, breakaway cable. There's a stairwell leading to the top section. For safety of this video, so I wouldn't have to do it while I was holding a camera, I did go ahead and get the rails put up top. It'll just be 2 pins on the front side, on the driver's side and passenger side, that bolted in place. And then same thing for the rear. See our side gate. There's one on both the driver and passenger side. There's also a recessed step. We see the wheels are steel wheels, black in color, radial tires. The rear gate on the trailer is barn style. So once you release this pin here, both the doors will swing open. There's a license plate bracket and light. All of the exterior LEDs. On the passenger side of the trailer, we can see the side loading ramp, spring assisted, transition flap. It's just wood on the enclosed area. Passenger side gate. And then with the ramp, there's a bar lock on both the driver and passenger sides. Circle back around here. This trailer has black ATP flooring. The door to the enclosed portion will have RV style bar lock on it, so pull up on it. It's also got the RV style flush lock, which has a deadbolt where you can lock it from the inside as well. Now give access to our enclosed section. You can see the stairwell. There's a latch at the top here. Now, sum up this 30-foot drone trailer. If you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you. Have a great day.